This morning we've got just a beautiful selection of Ponteromas for fall, so we're going to show them to you. We're going to start off, this is kind of a blue-green. It's really a pretty color. Could be great pair with like a white sweater on top, or a navy or black. Anyway, this is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Just a really beautiful, perfect for yoga pants. Now what I did is I got a lot of these because of the yoga pant class we had, and I wanted everybody to be able to select their Ponteroma that they wanted. So I've just got a really good selection. This is like a denim. It's got kind of a denim coloration to it. It's navy. It's got stretch in both directions again, and 100% cotton. Then we've got this purple. This purple is got stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly though, so that means it's going to be a little bit lighter. This is a black, very similar to our Lulu that we've had in the past. Very similar. These are all going to be $19.99. That's today only. Again, it has stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric, but just a really nice weight. This rust color is a big color for fall. It has stretch in both directions also. This is a cotton poly. This one and the purple are cotton polys. They are still Ponteromas. They just, the content is a little bit different. Ponteroma is a weave. It's not a fiber, so Ponteroma, the weave itself, can be done with many different fibers. This is a royal blue. This is 100% cotton. And again, just beautiful fabrics. Just perfect for pants, perfect for jackets. Ponteroma is just a really versatile fabric. The goal is you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.